Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Xiaomi 14T Pro. With impressive hardware and some exciting new features, Xiaomi is stepping up the game yet again. So, let's see if it's worth the hype. First, let's take a look at what comes inside the box. We have the phone itself, of course, a USB-C charging cable, and a 1-to-OW fast charger. Something Xiaomi is famous for, some paperwork, and always nice to see, a clear protective case. Let's talk about the design. The Xiaomi 14T Pro comes with a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a smooth 140Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming and scrolling through social media. It's also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, so it's as tough as it is good-looking. The build quality feels premium, and it's surprisingly lightweight for such a powerhouse. The glass back with curved edges gives it a comfortable grip, and it comes in a few color options, including this stunning graphite black. Now, let's dive into performance. Powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset and up to 16 GB of RAM, this phone can handle anything you throw at it, whether it's intense gaming or multitasking. In our benchmark test, the Xiaomi 14T Pro delivered top-tier performance, comparable to any other flagship out there. Games like Genshin Impact and Call of Duty Mobile run incredibly smoothly, even on the highest setting. The Xiaomi 14T Pro runs MIUI 15 on top of Android 14, offering a customizable and smooth user experience. It's packed with cool features and feels super responsive thanks to the 140Hz refresh rate. Alright, let's move on to the cameras. Xiaomi has packed a 200MP primary camera paired with an ultra-wide and a telephoto lens. It promises stunning photography capabilities. The 200MP sensor really shines in well-lit conditions, capturing tons of detail, and the ultra-wide is perfect for landscape shots. The low-light performance is also solid thanks to the night mode enhancements, and the telephoto lens with 10x hybrid zoom works quite well, delivering crisp shots without losing much detail. Battery life on the Xiaomi 14T Pro is another strong point. It comes with a 5000 mAh battery, which easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. And if you do run low, the 1-to-OW fast charging takes you from 0 to 100% in just about 20 minutes. That's crazy fast. As for pricing, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is competitively priced for a flagship, making it a great value for the specs you're getting. You get a top-tier display, a powerful processor, amazing cameras, and blazing fast charging, all at a price that undercuts many of the competition. So, what's the final verdict? The Xiaomi 14T Pro is a fantastic flagship that delivers on all fronts, whether you're a gamer, a photographer, or just someone who loves a high-performance phone. Xiaomi has once again proven that they know how to deliver premium experiences at a reasonable price. Let me know in the comments what you think of the Xiaomi 14T Pro. Would you get one? Don't forget to like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.